I'm going to share with you a homeopathic remedy for a cough. Make sure you save this video. That way the next time you or a loved one is experiencing a very frustrating, lingering cough that will not go away, you know a go-to homeopathic remedy. Okay, so I have this kit, and you'll notice there's no link for this because these are actually not allowed to be sold in the TikTok shop. But here is, right here, the go-to homeopathic remedy for a cough. So this is the go-to homeopathic remedy that I would personally try on our family first for a cough. Bryonia. And again, this was just from a quick Google search. It gives you more information about Bryonia. Probably completely pronounced that wrong. You guys can put in the chat below the phonetic pronunciation of it.